nanofiber FIR facial mask contains 0 unwanted substances, such as preservatives, emulsifiers, or stabilizers. Over 70% of the compositions of the facial mask are active ingredients, which are primarily small molecule-based natural moisturizing factors. Active ingredients are only released when the ingredient-loaded nanofibers are hydrated with water during use. A highly concentrated layer of ingredients snugly seal the skin's surface, hence creating a high concentration gradient for penetration of small molecule-based ingredients, providing immediate efficacy. FIR element in the product can further improve the skin-blood circulation for quick absorption. Basically, most if not all ingredients spun into the nanofibers are all there for use during facial applications.